Hey guys, welcome back. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can build adding watermark on images using Python. So let's get started. First you need to install these libraries, okay, below for the image processing and matplotlib for extracting the color, okay. So I will tell you why we need this, okay. So first you need to go to the main activity and define the Python, okay. Then you need to define the composable function. Then you need to define some mutable state, like for example selected image URI, selected watermark bitmap, okay. And then font file if you want to apply the custom font, okay. Then you need to start the launcher, okay. Then you need to convert selected image to into put URI. Then you need to convert it back to the byte array, because Python will only work on byte array, okay. Then you need to define the watermark, because I have defined the watermark .py, okay. So make sure to use the same file name, okay. Then you need to define the result part so that it can save the on the result path, okay. Then you need to call the function, because I have already created function name add underscore text underscore watermark underscore from underscore bytes, okay. Then you need to define the watermark, because if like this function is return you the Python result path, okay. So you need to display the watermark image, okay. So that's why I have assign the result bitmap to selected watermark bitmap, okay. Then you need to define the button. So I have named it to select image. Then you need to, if selected URI is not empty, then or is not null, then you need to show the previous image, okay. Then if the watermark bitmap is not null, then you need to define the watermark image, okay. Show the watermark image, okay. Then you need to get the byte array for define the function which will give you the byte array. So because if you are directly passing the font from on right side, then it will not work, okay. So that's why I have created the get font byte array, okay. Then you need to define the watermark position, for example on top right, top left, bottom right, bottom left, top center, bottom center and center, okay. Now I'm going to show you how you can add the Python code, okay. So first you need to define the enum class, okay, same as I have shown you the on right side, okay. Then get position. So for example this position enum. So for example if I want to show the watermarks text on the top right, then I have to define the some calculation for this. Then if I want to show the top left image, top left, then I need to define the some calculation, okay. You can modify it according to your need. Then bottom right, then bottom left, then top center, then bottom center, then center. If I did not define the position enum, then it will by default show the watermark text on the bottom right, okay. Extract RGB, so it will be used for the extracting colors, because as you know that let me go back to the under side. Then you can see for my own. So I'm using matplotlib colors, so you can see here, okay, there are so many colors, okay. So make sure to define the exact same string defined in the matplotlib, okay. Then I have to give the font file, then watermark text, then result path, then image bytes, okay. Then font size, then position, okay. where it's going to place the watermark, then opacity. So for opacity you need to define minimum 0 and maximum 255. So let me write for opacity value will be in range 0 to 255. Okay, 0 means black, or 255 is white. Okay, so the value is like, for example, if the value is close to 0, then it will be invisible. Okay, if the value is close to 255, then it will be visible. Okay, let me go back to the watermark Python file. Okay, color and opacity. Okay, then it's accepting the color. Okay, so for we need 4 channel RGBA. R means red, G means green, B mean blue, and alpha, A mean alpha. Okay, so alpha controls the opacity level. Okay, then we need to define the function here. Okay, it will take the parameter image bytes, output path, watermark text, font file, font path, text color, font size, position, opacity, and format. Okay, by default it will be like JPEG. Okay, you can define the on your format. Okay, then you need to like open the file. Okay, and convert the RGBA. Okay, because in the like which for the 3 channel image we need to convert it to the RGBA, because for 4th channel is alpha. Okay, then extract the color. Okay, text color and opacity. Okay, then watermark, so 255, 255 and 255. Okay, so it will be the white. Okay, then try, if the font path is available, then it will set to the font, else it will give you the error. Okay, then draw the text. Okay, on image. Okay, watermark text and font. Okay, font is like this font. Okay, then try, if the like position enum is not empty, then convert string to enum. Okay, else is not available position. Okay, so make sure to give the right position. Okay, then get position. Okay, if the position is right, then this code is execute, else this code by default position is bottom right. Okay, then draw the text. Okay, at position xy. Okay, watermark text, font, and fill. Okay, it will be filled to the like we have maroon, so it will be defined in maroon. Okay, then create the image back, then save it to the output path. Okay, which we have provided. So let's test it. You can see here. Okay, and we can place some values here, for example like okay, and color will be like we can copy this like golden road. Okay, then text size will be like you can say 40 or like 20. Okay, opacity will be like 200. Okay, also like in center center I want to show the top left. Okay, top left. Okay, so let's rebuild again. You can see at corner. Okay, so let's use the bright color. Okay, let's say black, or you can say which color, brown, or you can say. So like we are going to use black. Okay, for this tutorial. Black, and position font size will be 40, and instead of top left I need to show the bottom right. Okay, you can see here. Okay, so if I want to show the bottom center, then let me okay, opacity will be like 180. Okay, you can see. Okay, so if I want to control the opacity, you can say 30, then it will be close to visible, so invisible. Okay, so also I have not defined the permission here. Okay, so I am just defining the permission directly in the manifest file, so you can see. Okay, here you can see. Okay, so that's it for this tutorial. If you have any question or query, then let me know in comments. Thank you. Bye bye.